Long and gorgeous lashes are wanted by many women. There are so many products available on the market for adding volume and curl to your lashes. But if you're looking for a product which will help you in boosting the length and volume of your lashes while keeping them healthy, eyelash serums are a great option that you can consider. These serums promote the growth of lashes and condition and strengthen them quite well, making lashes darker and more dramatic in appearance. So in today's video, we came up with the 5 best eyelash serums, which will give you fuller and more perfect lashes, just the way you desire. Let's check them out.
The Trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for an ophthalmologist-tested eyelash serum which will take care of your short, thinning, and brittle lashes, the GrandeLASH-MD Lash Enhancing Serum might be a great option that you can consider. This serum is enriched with a blend of vitamins, peptides, and amino acids, which promote the appearance of naturally longer and thicker-looking lashes. The L-proline amino acid and vitamin E keeps your lashes healthy. Hyaluronic acid prevents breakage, and the botanical extract blend strengthens lash follicles. It's an award-winning product which is suitable for contacts and lash extensions. It improves sparse and thinning lashes and takes care of the appearance of damaged lashes. You can see the improvement of your lashes within 4 to 6 weeks of use. This product has earned a huge number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it makes lashes longer and darker in appearance. It also promotes thicker-looking lashes and makes them look lush. But some of them complain that they faced allergic reactions after using the eyelash growth serum. Let's check out the ratings for this eyelash growth serum. Give a magical boost to your lashes and eyebrows with the VieBeauti Eyelash Growth Serum and achieve a glamorous look on the go. This serum has powerful amino acids which stimulate circulation to blood vessels around follicles and support new growth. Aspartic acid fortifies hair structure, making lashes and brows stronger and more voluminous. Arginine in this serum helps to hydrate hair to resolve brittleness and makes them stronger. The serum is rich in nutrients and gives you dramatic eyelashes according to your own desire. This serum has botanically derived ingredients which add luster and sheen to your lashes. It has a gentle formula and is safe to use on delicate tissues along your lash line as well. The serum starts working within 2 weeks of use. The VieBeauti Eyelash Growth Serum has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it helps to grow lashes longer and it makes your lashes thick and full. But some of them were not satisfied with the product. Time to check out the ratings. The EssyNaturals Eyelash Growth Serum is our next pick for today, which promises to strengthen and increase the length of your natural lashes and eyebrows. The formula of this serum contains the goodness of ginseng root, Egyptian blue water lily, and Polygonum multiflorum. These ingredients work together to gently boost the appearance of eyelashes, making them healthy, thick, and long. It has an irritation-free formula, which is gentle and safe for all types of skin. This nourishing serum helps frail lashes and brows to go stronger and healthier. This eyelash growth serum magnifies and primes your lashes and brows, giving them a fuller appearance. The product is easy to use and it starts working after 3 to 4 weeks of daily use. This eyelash growth serum has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product gives fast results and works quite well. It makes your lashes and eyebrows longer and adds volume as well. But some of the users complain that the product caused burning sensations. Time to check out the ratings. Enhance the beauty of your natural eyelashes by giving them a thicker, fuller, and more gorgeous appearance with the Muzooy Eyelash Growth Serum Kit. A fast and effective lash growth serum specially made for your own lashes. This kit comes with an eyelash serum and enhancing conditioner. The formula of this product is mild and natural. It contains plant extracts, natural material, peptides, and biotin, which strengthen and magnify and lengthen your lashes and brows. The serum nourishes new cells and activates the keratin gene quite effectively, which in turn lengthens, darkens, and thickens your lashes and brows. It gives you fuller looking lashes in 4 to 12 weeks. On the other hand, the enhancing conditioner has a peptide-fueled formula. It uses natural extracts and a proprietary blend, providing you with fuller and healthier looking lashes. This product regulates microcirculation and activates hair growth function. It has a non-irritating and a gentle formula, and it's safe for all types of skin. The Muzooy Eyelash Growth Serum Kit is a great product which has earned many positive reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it makes lashes and brows thicker. It also increases the length of your lashes quite well, but some of them said that the product didn't work for them. It's time to rate this eyelash growth serum. The Pronexa Hairgenics Lavish Lash is our top pick for today's video. It's an immensely popular eyelash serum which promises to give you bold and beautiful lashes with its great formula. The serum contains proprietary botanically derived compounds and lash growth peptides and biotin, which penetrate hair follicles to promote growth of your lashes and brows. It adds sheen and luster, giving you beautiful looking lashes and brows. This eyelash serum works within 60 days of application. The product is made of high quality ingredients and is clinically tested. It's a hypoallergenic serum which is non-irritating and lash extension safe. You can easily add this product into your night care routine and you'll see the outstanding results for yourself. The Pronexa Hairgenics Lavish Lash Serum has earned a massive number of reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. The reviews say it all. This product actually works and it helps in the growth of your lashes and eyebrows. But some of the users said that they didn't notice any difference after using the product. Let's check out the ratings for this eyelash growth serum. Those were our top 5 eyelash growth serums. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.